Before starting this video, we strongly recommend that you look at the Visual Estimating Basic Drawing Techniques video. Okay, to start a new drawing, click on New from Template and choose an A1 1:100 template. Click OK. You're then presented again with your clear drawing. We're going to start by drawing our external walls again. Pick the brick and block cavity wall and choose a wall 2.4 high, single story. The dialogues appear. You can check the height of the walls, the thickness of the inner and outer leaf. You can check the depth of the foundations and the width of the foundations, the depth of the concrete, and whether you wish to plank and strut the excavation. All this information has been captured to be used within Estimator Express. Incidentally, you can click on these two items here to show tech tips and tech labels. Whenever I click in any cell, additional information will appear in the top right hand corner of the screen to help me understand them. Check the footings. Again, all the dimensions can be changed. Please note that the yellow items will actually affect the appearance of the drawing. The white items have been collected for use within Estimator Express. Finally, I confirm to the software that I am plastering and decorating the walls. I can then use the dimension technique to enter my walls. Click on the top left-hand corner, click the down arrow on your keyboard and enter the length of your wall. I'm going to go for a 9,500 gable. You can see that the software has correctly presented the overall length of the wall. I can then click 4,500 for the front of the building. Again, I'm going to put a projection on the front of the building, say 1800 millimeters. Move across another 4,500, back 1800, and across 4,500. I then click S on my keyboard to complete the loop. On this occasion, you can see that I've got the 3D window showing. It's in transparent mode. I can change that to shaded if I wish, or textured. If the 3D window is not showing, click on the Views and 3D tab and select the Preview 3D button. If I want to turn the window off, I can simply close it off here at any time. I then click back on the drawing and use my scroll wheel to zoom in and out. This time I'm going to put some internal walls. Click on an internal block wall, choose 2,400, confirm the height of the wall, the foundations, footings, and whether or not you're plastering and skirting the walls. Click on the corner, zoom out with my scroll wheel, and as I place my mouse on the back wall, you should see that it automatically says perp. This means that the software has found the perpendicular to the two walls. If the perpendicular is not appearing, this probably means you are in dimension mode. Press F7 on your keyboard to change to snap mode. I can then repeat the process for the wall on the other side of the alcove. On this occasion, as I zoom in, you'll see the wall is projecting to the other side. I need to justify the wall on the alternative axis. Zoom out, and again locate the perpendicular. If you have any problems at all with the wall being drawn, click on the architectural menu again and press Lock Wall. That will ensure that the wall is available to draw. Alternatively, you can click on the right key on your mouse and this will re-invoke the last command you used. We're now going to draw a room size relative to the back wall. I place my mouse over the intersection between the back wall and the partition, and I press R on my keyboard because I want to set it out relative to that corner. I then press down on my keyboard and enter the dimension of the room. On this occasion, I'll go for 3000. Click Enter, and you can see that the dimension has automatically been established. I'm now in dimension mode, so I need to press F7 on my keyboard so that it will find the perpendicular again. Let's repeat that process for the front. Find the intersection, press R, press my up arrow for the size of the room, and enter, on this occasion, 4000. Again, you can see the dimensions have been established. I can then press F7 again to re-establish the perpendicular. Finally, on the other side of the building, right click to re-invoke the command, press R, dimension 3600, press F7, and again it finds the perpendicular. If you look closely at the walls, you'll see that some of them haven't been joined properly. If I press the refresh button, you'll see that the software automatically heals all the junctions. We're now ready to start placing doors and windows. I'm going to start with the front door. Pick an external door, front door, pick any one you fancy. Confirm the dimensions of the doors. I can set the fixing details. I can set the reveal depths. Again, I can put the tech labels on. And when I click in any cell, it will tell me about it. Work my way through the dialogues. Press finish. And I can either place the door using the dimension mode, or if I press F7, it will go into snap mode and will automatically find the midpoint. I can hand that door to suit by moving the mouse, and I'm going to repeat the process for some bifold doors. Choose a suitable door. I'm going to accept the defaults, and again I can automatically find the midpoints and place those on the drawing. With doors and windows, you can simply repeat these over and over again as many times as you like. I'm now going to add some windows, some softwood bar dummy sash windows, 1200 deep, 1200 wide. Accept the defaults, place those on the drawing. Pop one over there. Internal doors are exactly the same. Accept the defaults. Place those either dimensionally or by eye. We'll then do a small structural opening. Confirm the dimensions, height, noggings, plastering details, and so on. Place it on the drawing. Okay, let's have a look at the 3D image. Once again, the image reappears. Again, we can make that larger if we wish, and we can explore the overall appearance of it. We've missed the window out on that back wall. Let's place it on the drawing. Just remember the last window we used. We can place it on there. Press refresh and the window reappears. In the next video, we're going to add the floor slab and the roof.